Alright guys, just a review on how to do truth tables and how to create one. This is something we did in class, but just if you need further clarification, I'm just going to do one for you right now. So here's something we want to make a truth table for. It's P, and then this upside down is an intersection. If you wanted to, you could just write the word and to remember that it's an and problem. Negation of Q or not Q is, and this would be an or because it's a union. You'll notice that the parentheses are on this. So we're going to do this individually and this individually, and then we're going to judge the and both of them, the conjunction between the two of them. So we always start off the same. We got P and Q. I'm going to go do what we've learned in class. True, true. True, false. False, true. And false, false. And I'm going to go make a line. All right. Now, next, you're really going to you could do this in a different order. What I like to do is this part of the, we already know what this is. We already have P. We have them right down here, all right? And so now we're going to go ahead and try to do this part of it. Now, I notice there's a P, which we have. There's an or, and there's a not Q. Well, I have Q. I need to go not Q. So that's one thing I need to put in my truth table. Not Q. And not Q is going to be the opposite of Q, because if Q is true, not Q would be false. So I'm just going to go down and do the opposite of all the Q's. All right. Next, I have not Q, I have P, so now I'm ready to talk about this whole thing. So I'm going to put that in, parentheses, not Q, the union, P. And it would be the same thing if I had the word or there. All right, so this means the or sign is going to tell me that this statement is true if one or both of these is true. So I'm going to look directly at this column and this column. All right? I see that that's false and that's true, but there's an or there. One of them happens to be true, so the whole thing is true. Right here we got true and then true, so that's also true. We got false and then false. That means that this is false here, and here we got true and then false, so that means that's true because it's one of them happens to be true. All right. Last, I have this column. So now let me go erase this because I don't need this anymore. But I do need the P. So now what we're going to do is we're going to judge this column and this column. Now, I know, well, let me go ahead and write down the last one. I'm just going to copy it from up there. Alright, so now in order to judge this one, this is the important piece, that's and. So what that tells me is that either this or this, both of them have to be true in order for the whole statement to be true because of the word and. So I'm going to look at this column and this column, and I see that I got a true and I got another true, which means this statement in this row is going to be true. Here I got a true and a true, which means true. False and a false, false, and a true and a false. Well, this one's false because I used the word and, which means both of them have to be true. So right here is my end result, and that would be the truth table of that particular statement.